I want this bullet that's like a double bed there.
Good morning, guys. Let me just sit there. Let me sit there. Good morning, guys. I don't want to scream because my family is still sleeping. I think it's 5 o'clock now, or going to 5, or just past 5, but around 5 o'clock in the morning. Today is camp day. Boo, boo, boo. I'm finally excited. Yeah, I'm finally excited. So I want to. There's laundry that I hanged yesterday. It's in the washing basket, so I just want to fold it up. There's a couple of things that I want to do. I want to fold that laundry. I want to cook lunch. I know it's 5 o'clock in the morning, but I want to cook lunch for my siblings and my son, so they don't have to worry about food during the day. I'm just going to cook a lot so that they can eat lunch and we can eat supper, because we are coming back tomorrow. It's just one night. I don't think them or my sister rather to worry about what my son is going to eat and all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. And then come for the laundry. I'm gonna start the process now and come for the laundry. At least I've decided what I'm gonna wear today. And then I need to pack and go bath because we're leaving quite early. I think my husband said around 8 o'clock we will be meeting up at our meet spot. So yeah, let me get cracking that. I'm super excited. Finally, yesterday I wasn't excited about this whole thing, but today I feel it in my bloodstream. Laundry is all folded up. Done cooking. I'm just making some mash for my son. Now I'm going to bath. I'll see you guys later. We are about to leave now. We're just putting in last minute things. Look at the bag, it's so full. Let's go camping! Woo, 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 woo. Wow, it's so nice.
It's nice, no?
Too nice.
Oh, no matter what you come.
What if I'm given girl? This one super and I don't have. Yes.
Can I share a picture of the
Your wrist is so small. You didn't get to around the bar. No.
station by station. 10 minutes, we'll see who does it quick. Hi. This was the quickest set. Yeah? Yes. Oh, how can you take the TV?
Cause you want me, we could do it all, and it's all love. We could be selfless, we could be falling in love. Falling in love, falling in love. We could be violent, we could be mad in the rush. We could be selfless.
Oh, one room we are number 2. Hi, Hokopani. Hi, Hokopani, baby. Oh, Clara, baby.
Set up, Poopy. Set up, Poopy. Ah, man. Dallas.
Set up complete. Hey guys, we've finally arrived. We've been setting up our tents and then we are gonna probably just chill for the rest of the afternoon. So we are in the Val, not Val, Paris, what Paris, guys. And then yeah, we're just here to chill here. It's just one night. So yeah, gonna start preparing food and just chill and drink with the rest of the crew. Everything is all set up and looking up. So lovely, man. Like there's a lake or cave right there behind us. So we're waking up to views. Yeah, no, it's just a chilled, nice vibe, guys. These are the bathrooms. Let me give you guys a bathroom tour. I'm actually here to come and change into shorts because it's so hot. It's giving bush red. Let's see. And there's this pause area. And then there's a mirror. Ooh. No, that's what I'm wearing. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm wearing these jeans. Yeah. I'm gonna wear these shorts now because yeah, sure, it's hot. And then those are the toilets. This is the 3 showers. Tomorrow morning we leave. And it's nice. So I just came to change because I was feeling hot in those jeans. Guys, can I tell you guys something? I've always been very conscious and very uncomfortable and insecure about this area of my body, right? But I just decided to just embrace it, hey, honestly, because like, why not? Yeah, anyway, let's go and chill with everybody else. These are all the groceries, guys, that we're gonna eat tonight and tomorrow morning.
You know what, like 6 guys here.
6 gun. We thank God for online shopping. Oh, baby, so sex water free juice. Or the ice. Yes! 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 Good morning, guys. Morning from the camp. Morning. Happy Sunday. Today's Sunday. Yeah, other people are already awake. You can already hear voices outside. But yeah, today's Sunday. We are probably going to go back later on today. But I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to go home. Today, I don't know. I think they're probably gonna be making breakfast. Even though there's a full pot of boiki that we didn't eat last night. But I already hear them talking about eggs. I think they're gonna make the guys. I don't know if they're gonna make eggs. I don't know if they're gonna make breakfast because there's a full pot of boiki that we didn't touch last night. And apparently there's also a packet of pork that was supposed to be cooked today. I don't know. I feel like we just bought a whole lot of food, but a lot of food. For one night, because yeah, we only spending one night here. But then yeah, the vibes were nice. Yesterday we just chilled with the fire, made like fire and just chill. Did karaoke and stuff, along the songs the whole night. You know, it was just a nice playful vibe. So yeah. Let's shower, guys. I just finished showering. Even though I didn't enjoy my shower, like I didn't enjoy my shower actually at all because the water was so hot, like without cold water. Like I couldn't mix the water, so it was pure geyser water. So it was extremely hot. So I didn't really enjoy it. I was bathing, showering like this. No, yeah. So it's not that I'm clean. Let's go. Going back to the rest of the guys. Go chill with the other ladies. I don't know. We are gonna have to leave because my sister needs to go back to Pretoria. She needs to, I mean, like tomorrow is Monday, so she needs to be ready for work. So we can't leave. Also, I need a comb to comb my hair. But it's in the car. What are the showers? Somebody said, chill, guys, man, I'm ready to go home. I miss boy's craziness. I miss his vibe. Yeah. Somebody said, chill. But why get here? There's also a pool here. So you can chill and do water slides and stuff. But because this thing was planned by guys, nobody told us, oh my man. They didn't tell me there's a pool here. It's like I swimming costume. Swim. I didn't know. What fun I swimming. The other ladies, some of the other ladies they knew and they actually brought swimwear. I just woke up from such a beautiful nap. I just did a little bit with the ladies there, then I left. I came to sleep. I didn't realize how tired I was. After that shower, I sat for a couple of minutes there. I came to sleep.
Yeah. You know, even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you for life, sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Loving you madly, girl, you might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I be here beside you, anything I got you. You know play. All you do is shut down the runway, looking dangerous like a gunplay. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo. Hey, don't you fall like you know even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you fall like sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Hey, you know like get it. Ella no la quiere. Body moving, quiere. She can do it, quiere.
We're on our way home. What's that? Cable. Ke mathata a Oh. Oh, okay. Somebody's car is broken down or cable in the air. One thing about these cars, guys, something always has to be fixed. So we stopped at the side of the road. And I'm getting worried because it's getting late. My sister needs to get to Pretoria. I'm getting worried. I feel like we're gonna end up having to drive to Pretoria to go and drop her off so that she doesn't have to travel late. You know, I don't like using public transport. Yeah. One day, one night camp experience, guys. Let me go back home. I think I might as well just close this vlog here now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, please subscribe, please comment. You can say anything. Please like, please subscribe, please comment. Up until my next video, it's one love from me. See you.